Friends, all of you are aware that very recently, on the 11th of August 2020, there was an incident of violence in Bangalore where police stations were attacked. More than 2,000 people assembled and created a very tense law and order situation. The NIA investigation into the Bangalore riots has resulted in a few key conspirators being arrested. It has come to light that the protest that took place in Bangalore, allegedly over an offensive Facebook post, was not spontaneous but was a result of a clear conspiracy. From a very long time, there was a demand that there must be a full-fledged NIA office in Bangalore, in Karnataka, so that all of these anti-India activities perpetrated by these anti-national organizations can be curtailed. I met with the Honorable Home Minister, Shri Amit Shah ji, 2 days ago. I brought all of these concerns to his notice, and on behalf of all Karnataka people, on behalf of people of Bengaluru, I made a fervent appeal and request to him to establish immediately a permanent station house in Bengaluru of the National Investigating Agency, so that all these anti-India activities which want to use Bengaluru as an incubator for their terrorist activities can be curtailed with an iron fist. I am happy to announce that the Honorable Home Minister, Shri Amit Shah ji, has assured us that a permanent station house of the NIA will be established in Bengaluru very soon,